Hello everyone, my name is Evgeny, this is the channel called Race Someday. Here we are building the track car from my Civic or even a race car. And today we will talk about the most important thing in the race car, or one of the most important parts of the race car, the chassis, the body of the car. And to be exactly, how to make it stronger and stiffer. Yeah, of course there will be a roll cage in this car, but a little bit later, because the roll cage is still in production and it will be here in my garage in the end of December, hopefully. But there is another way, and I will talk about this method in this video. This method is really old school and it's not invented by me. People use it for ages. And we will just add more spot welds between the already welded body panels. And you may ask why it's already welded. Yeah, but during the production, the car manufacturer, he always tries to save money, save time, like to do the minimum amount to meet the safety requirements, maybe some other requirements, and it's totally fine for the normal cars, for the normal usage. And the door frame is a good example. You can check it on your car. We can see the spot welds. They are like 2-3 centimeters apart. And for the normal usage, for the daily driving, it's totally fine. But for the racetrack, where we have stiffer suspension, more sticky tires, it's not enough, and the body is too flexible. Especially if your car made in Japan in 90s, and the cars from that era, they are not really famous of being stiff enough. More like being made of the tin foil, and by adding more welding spots we will make this panel more stronger. There will be less movement between the panels, so it means that in the end we will be able to tune the suspension more, because the body will not make any effect to the suspension. And for the door frames, window frames and tailgate frame, I will use this machine. It's a spot welder. I bought it from company HBM, but it's also available from other companies, and I believe you can find it on the AliExpress easily and maybe even cheaper, but this thing is not that expensive. So yeah. Basically, you just put 2 sheets of metal here, then push the arm here, and there is a switch. And yeah, there are not so many settings here. You can just change the thickness of the metal. So maximum is 3 millimeters. There is also a version for 4 millimeters, so there will be 2 millimeter plus 2 millimeter. And this thing is to set the time, so it switches off automatically. And I already tried it. It's really easy to use, works perfectly. But before that, I need to clean everything from the paint. So yeah, there is a lot of preparation work before I will use it. And I also want to weld under the hood a little bit, but mostly I will focus on the area around the top mount strut tower. So I mean, I will just delete sealant here, and yeah, I will add some welding spots, but not that much. Normally I should remove the windshield too, because there is also some places to weld, but it's in really good shape and I don't want to touch it, don't want to damage it. The side windows, I plan to replace them anyway by the plastic, so I don't mind to cut them out of the car, and yeah, if it will be damaged, yeah, not a big issue. The roll cage, it will be installed later. I'll talk about the options I had and actually about my choice in the next video. Right now the cage is still in production, and yeah, it should be ready around the new year. So yeah, a lot of work should be done before that. Stay tuned. guys, finally the door opening is ready. Yeah, this time I just cleaned some certain places which I plan to weld, because yeah, for example, here, and here there are 3 layers, and so the welding goes not that great, or even doesn't go at all, because this thing not supposed to weld it. So yeah, only 2 layers are possible. And yeah, this time it was much faster than another side. I still need to paint it, and this one also, but it's really cold here. And I also want to say about this welder, it's really nice thing, easy to use. There are not so many settings to do, so yeah, just plug and play. However, there is a one weak point of this thing, it's a weight. Yeah, it's really heavy. Yeah, totally fine to weld this part where you don't really need to hold it in your hands, but here, because you need not only to hold it, but also to push the lever and also to switch on it. So yeah, not really easy to do it by myself. However, finally it's done. Let's continue. Oh goodness, I finally finished. Yeah, still need to paint it, but I will wait until it will be warm enough, because I already tried it in the door openings. It didn't go well. Yeah, it's too cold here. But fortunately, after 1 million or even 1 billion of the spot welds, I can say that this job, this task is done. I'm not really sure if all this reinforcement will do so much difference in the car behavior on the track, but anyway, it was nice experience, interesting experience. It was first time when I did something like that, and anyway, I think it didn't make the car worse, and yeah, that's important. And the next is the cage. It's coming on the next week. Yeah, I will still need to do some welding in the suspension, yeah, the reinforcement of the subframes, but it will be much later when I will start some works on the suspension. So thank you for watching this video. Yeah, push the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.